Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we are going over the Bitcoin price chart and recent news headlines to see what the market is telling us. As you know, the crypto market is highly volatile and recent events have definitely shaken things up. Following the election victory of Donald Trump, Bitcoin broke through $76,000, and there's a growing consensus that the next 4 years will be favorable for the digital asset sector. Let's look at the one-day chart to get a broader picture. Looking at the last month of daily candles, we see a clear upward trend, with Bitcoin steadily climbing. There's a strong sense of bullish momentum, with the market pushing towards new highs. The recent price action suggests that the bulls are in control. Now let's narrow it down and examine the last week of daily candles. We see a surge in price following the election result, with a significant green candle. This surge indicates strong buying pressure, likely fueled by investor sentiment. The market seems to be responding positively to the prospect of pro-crypto policies. However, it's important to consider potential resistance levels. The $77,000 mark appears to be a significant psychological barrier. If Bitcoin breaks through this level, it could signal a continuation of the upward trend. If it fails to break through, we might see a pullback or consolidation. Let's move to the 1-hour chart to delve into more recent price action. Looking at the last 24 hours, we see a lot of volatility. While there have been some downward spikes, overall, Bitcoin has continued to hold above $75,000. The market is consolidating, and we might see a range-bound movement in the short term. It's interesting to note that the 1-hour chart shows a series of smaller green candles. This suggests a steady, albeit slow, upward climb. While the market might be consolidating, the bullish sentiment is still present. Now let's switch to the 15-minute chart for the most recent price action. This time frame offers a much more granular view. We see a lot of back and forth, with both green and red candles appearing in quick succession. This high frequency of movement indicates a lot of trading activity. While the market might be consolidating, it's important to watch out for potential breakouts. A sudden surge in volume could lead to a rapid price move in either direction. Remember, the news and events play a significant role in shaping price action. The pro-crypto stance of the new administration is a major bullish factor. However, there are still legislative hurdles that could affect the market. It's essential to stay informed about policy developments and their potential impact on Bitcoin. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we see a breakout above the $76,000 mark. This breakout is accompanied by a surge in volume. This suggests a strong buying pressure, and we might see a continuation of the upward trend. It's important to monitor the volume and price action to confirm the breakout. Overall, the technical indicators suggest a bullish outlook for Bitcoin. The one-day chart shows an upward trend, while the 1-hour and 15-minute charts indicate consolidation. However, the recent breakout above the $76,000 mark is a strong bullish signal. It's essential to be aware of potential resistance levels and stay informed about the news and events that could impact the market. In conclusion, Bitcoin's recent surge is likely fueled by the pro-crypto stance of the new administration. The technical indicators suggest a bullish outlook, with Bitcoin breaking through the $76,000 resistance. However, the market is consolidating, and it's important to monitor price action and volume for potential breakouts or pullbacks. Key price levels to watch include $77,000, which is a major psychological resistance. If Bitcoin breaks through this level, it could signal a continuation of the upward trend. However, if it fails to break through, we might see a pullback or consolidation. It's also important to monitor the volume and price action on the 15-minute chart for any significant breakouts. Stay informed about policy developments and their potential impact on Bitcoin. This is a dynamic market, and it's crucial to stay alert to any changes in sentiment or technical indicators. Remember, this is just an analysis, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your own research and trade responsibly.